Hello, and in this video, we are going to learn how to insert a blank row after every row in Excel. So you can see here that I have a very simple list of students and I want to have a little bit of space. So I want after John King, there could be a blank row, and then after Peter Smith, there could also be a blank row, and so on and so forth. So how do we do that? Well, let's create a new column and call it list. Now here, we are going to insert a sequence number. So 1 to 8. Now, copy the whole list, Ctrl C and then Ctrl V to paste it. Okay, now let's sort the list, and in order to do that, we will first need to put this inside a table. All right. Okay, now let's sort from smallest to largest. All right, delete the list column, we don't need it anymore, and there you go. And now if you want, you can go to table design and turn off the filter button. There you go. Now a lot of you might be wondering, okay, so this is great, but how about I want after every 3 students, there could be a blank row, or after every 2 students, there could be a blank rows. In that case, what would we do? All right, very simple. So if you want to have a blank row after every 2 students, here's what you can do. Just type 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Now, sort largest to smallest again. Delete the list. All right, and there you go. Easy peasy. So I hope you found this video useful. That's it for now. Happy learning and see you in the next video.